Welcome to come to our live session today. If you have any questions about our made products, some paper rolls and label rolls, you can give me any comment below and I can know your idea. Okay, so first of all, I will introduce our company and the factory location. 连续2天。And our head office is located in Shenzhen. If you are planning to come to China, welcome to visit our factory and our head office. We'll show you around our production line and more details about our main product. Our factory is located in Zhaoqing City, near to Guangzhou. So if you don't come to Shenzhen and if you are available in Guangzhou, you can come to our factory as well. It's nearly about 1 to 1.5 hours. 不卡呀，
我快卡死了，外面打不开。
这里还好。And actually, we have another factory located in Malaysia producing the thermal paper rolls for USA market only. As you know that if you are from America, but if you want to import the thermal paper rolls from China, there's higher anti-dumping duties, around 106%. So to avoid these problems, we opened and we work with the converter factory in Malaysia to finish the container for our customers from America. But the production time about the container is 4 to 6 weeks because we have to confirm your orders before production to prepare the material of the 48 grammage from color paper material coating mills. Except these thermal papers in Malaysia, other products like the thermal paper rolls and the paper label rolls, no matter for the finished rolls or the raw material, or we will ship out from our China factory. Hello, nice to meet you, my friend. Welcome to come to our live section. You can follow our company name. Sometimes we will release some bonus so you can book the products online directly. And actually we have the exhibition in the Chicago, London. Oh, I'm sorry to hear about that, dear. Hope everything could be better for you. If you have any requirement about our products, some papers and labels, you can send me your size and quantity at the comment below. Really, yeah, really sorry about to hear that. Hello, Thor, how are you? You can also send me the product link that you are interested, so I can introduce the products accordingly to you, including the hot sale size and the product dimensions. Yeah, as I just mentioned, we actually have the exhibitions in Chicago, USA. The exhibition will be during September 12 to 15. during these days, our booth number is 1611. If you also plan to attend to the exhibition, welcome to visit our booth and let us talk more details to you about our raw material labels, because we have many materials for your options, such as the paper, including the thermal paper, material, this one, direct thermal labels, and thermal transfer, the synthetic paper, the BOPP film, pearl white BOPP, and the transparent. Something special, such as the laser or security hologram label raw material. All this we can make as well. The label master rolls width is 15 and 30. The meter length is 6,000 meters a roll. About this application for different material, we can show you and talk more about the information with you at the exhibition. So if you need the exhibitors, the certifications, you can also contact us. We will invite you, because we have three numbers for free to invite you to come to the exhibition. Okay, and let us introduce the thermal papers for next. So if you still have any comment of the paper rolls, the size, the wholesale product, you can show me your idea. Okay, so when it comes to the thermal paper rolls, it has thinner paper and thicker paper from 45 to 48 gram each for your options. Yes, 45, it is more thinner than 48, but we also have the 40 gram each, which is the most thinnest. Nearly to the transparent. But if you are interested about this, we can send free samples for your reference first. About the middle thin paper, it is 50 gram each to 50 to 58, and the thicker paper is 59 to 80 gram each. How to make to do the difference, to compare. So the first, we can distinguish them by the country. Usually, if you are from the Asia, Middle East, and Africa, you may prefer to use the thicker paper, like the 80 gram each, 65 gram each, and 60 gram each. By this size, you can always ask the size dimension of the thermal paper. It is 80 by 80, the width 80 by 80, and the smaller rolls for the credit pulse printer is 57 by 38. For some south of America. They prefer to use the 55 grammage like the Mexico, Peru, Chile. And the American customers, they would like to use the thinner paper 45, 48, and BPA free paper to make the normal size like the 80 millimeter width and 69 meters in a row. The cord could be 13 by 17, or the double wall cord is 15 to 22 millimeter. Okay, and when it comes to the cord, we actually have 4 types. In my hand, it is the cordless. There's a hole around 8 millimeters inside, and another one is paper cord. We have 2 types for regular options: the 13 by 17 and 19 by 26, or even bigger, the 25 by 30. This one, it's 13 by 17, the standard plastic cord we use and export to all over the world. We have bigger one like the 19 by 26 and the 25 by 30. The fourth one is 15 by 22. Okay, such as you see here, it's one layer about the plastic cord, but for the double wall cord, it's more thicker here. Usually, our customers from Canada and America will use the double wall cord because it can help to keep the paper rolls in round shape, so it can use into the post printer smoothly. About the paper material, as I mentioned, that we use 40 to 80 grammage. But how to test the paper rolls with the simplest way? Hello, Nicholas, how are you? Hello, nice to meet you, my friend. My name is Gia from Evergreen Paper. I just introduced the summer papers from the paper types to the core inside, and now it's ready to introduce the text way with the simplest way. Just use your fingers to scratch it. Usually, the paper roll outside is the summer size and inside it is the summer size, so you can just scratch it lightly so it can show you the color. You can see if it is clear and dark enough. Okay, and the second way, you can use a lighter to burn it, and you can see the color to see if it is evenly. Okay, the third one, if you have the post printer on your side, you can test it directly to test the solid square block, or test the printer you printing usually. So you can compare the test printing image to see if our it is better. Always we are happy to provide free samples to you for reference. if you have the shipping agent in China, we can send the sample package to them directly, so they can arrange the shipment to you accordingly. If you don't have, you can send us your DHL or FedEx number. If you don't have, so our shipping agents can make that as well, but you need to pay the shipping cost in advance, and after you place the order, we can refund the shipping cost to you accordingly. Okay, so for next, let's introduce some custom and special service for you guys if you want to expose your brand name. Okay, so first, on the like this one, on the like this 80 by 80, on the side of the paper roll here with the stamp, right? We can make the stamp with your name or your company name, your logo name here. Yeah, stamp with the name. So if you not fade till you use out this paper roll, and this is the most cost-effective way to do the custom, because it can only cost the 0.0015 US dollars. Okay, and another one is printing. Here about the printing paper rolls, we can do both sides with printing image. This one is from one of our customers from Korea. It is one color for their printing, the simplest printing paper rolls. Our flagship, yeah, we have two printing methods. The flagship printing for the flagship printing machine for 1 to 8 simple colors. And if the printing is very complex, we will advise to make the UV printing. So the complex designs could be more clear and dark than the flagship printing way. As you see here in my hand, this is the roll by the UV printing method. So beautiful. Yeah, of course you can use these paper rolls to the cinema sticky, base sticky, and lottery paper. We have many customers making lottery paper. Yeah, some of them use the normal paper, some of them use the top coated paper. Top coated thermal paper means the waterproof, oil-proof, alcohol-proof, and scratch resistance, and the shrink, plastic shrink resistance. Okay, and another custom logo on the paper is star mark and M mark. This printing way is the most popular for the Saudi Arabia customer. That means only some centimeters print on the paper rolls to star, and also same meters length with printing on the end of the paper roll. About this custom printing on the paper rolls itself, if you still have any questions and interesting, you can, or your idea want to customize the logo on the paper, you can tell me here, or you can leave your contact. I will call you after live session finish. Okay. So for next, we will going to introduce the package of the Somo paper rolls. As you see here in my hand, it is the most standard common packaging, shrink wrap. The material is POF. The smaller one is 10 rolls per shrink. For smaller size, 57 by 50, 40, and 38. For the bigger one, 80 by 80, it's 5 rolls per shrink wrap. Normally 50 rolls per carton. If you want to custom the carton number, like the 24 rolls or 20 rolls per carton or 60 rolls per carton, that is not proper, we can make it as your request, no problem. Because we also have the customer from New Zealand, they always prefer to use the 24 rolls in a carton, and the United Kingdom customer prefers to use the 20 rolls per carton, and the Saudi Arabia customer or the Dubai customer, they prefer to do the 60 rolls in a carton. As long as that you tell us your details about the products you want, we will try our best to make it better. Okay, and about the inner packaging, to do the custom logo, yeah, we have this one. Actually, we can make the golden or the silver packaging only without the logo. This will be our standard and common packaging as well. And here with the logo sticker on two sides of the packaging. There's the third way we do custom packaging, single row by single row. Yeah, the size is 57 by 40. For this packaging, it's more popular for Kenya and Yemen customer. The logo, they always want making the colorful paper pack, and the inner paper roll is actually blank paper. No matter bigger one or the smaller one, they are the same. In this packaging, it is the most expensive and the high MOQ. And this one, it's more popular for Dubai customer. Here we can make a custom logo with yours. We call it biscuit packaging. Inside there is 2 rows for 80 by 80. If it is a smaller row like the 57 by 40, it will be 4 rows inside. If you want this packaging but without any logo, only white color or the black color, like this, there is no MOQs and extra codes. Actually, we have the most and latest and beautiful packaging about the shrink wrap. That means here we have the logo printed on the shrink wrap. Here around these 5 rows. It is very popular and beautiful for now. But the MOQ is 10. It's 5 containers. If you don't take the 5 container at a time, you can pay the $1,000 as a deposit first. Till all the containers used out, the $1,000 could be refundable. Yeah, during this period, the rest 4 containers shrink wrap will be storage in our warehouse. Hello, nice to meet you, my friend. Hello, Sherry, how are you? My name is Gia from Evergreen Paper. If you have any interest about our paper rolls and the label rolls, you can share your idea at below. I will introduce the hot products accordingly to you for your reference. Yeah, actually about the lead time, if you do the custom printing carton or the custom packaging, the lead time is 3 weeks, usually at least to 4 weeks, because we have to confirm and check the printing plate with you before the mass production. And if you just need our ready stock size and our brand. Hello, Barin, how are you? Nice to meet you, Barin. How are you? My name is Gia from Evergreen Paper Factory in China. You can follow our company name. We are the biggest converters in south of China. For 18 years, we have our own factory located in Zhaoqing City. If you are available in China, we warmly welcome you to visit our factory and let us show you around our production line so you can know more about us and our products. So if you want to start this business or you are already in this business industrial, so I think we could be a better cooperator and can do the best business with you. Yeah, we actually also have the Korean customers who buys jumbo rolls from us to cutting and refining the small finished rolls at their own factory in Korea. Yeah, the 40 high cubic container is limited to 22.5 tons a container. Hello, nice to meet you, my friend. If you want to know some more papers and the papers, you can tell me. Our ready store size is 80 by 80, 65 grammage, 80 by 70, 57 by 50, 57 by 40, 57 by 38. These 5 sizes we have stock because we have our own brand carton, Samo Star. Yeah, if you take our Star box, the brand box, we can make the lead time within a week after receiving your payment. If you want to custom your own carton brand or the inner packaging with the logo sticker, the lead time is 3 weeks to 4 weeks or 25 days. The payment it's usually by T. If the total amount is over 5,000 US dollars, you can pay the 30% as a deposit and the balance before shipping. If it is below 5,000 US dollars, we recommend you pay at one time because there's the transaction fee which is high. Okay guys, let us talk about the summer labor rules for next. If you still have any questions about the summer papers, you can tell me at the below comment. Hello, nice to meet you. Kwanwu. Hello, Kwanwu. How are you? If you are looking for the summer laborers, you can tell me the size, like the width. This is width, and the length, the gap size between two labels. Okay, and how many labels in a row? How many labels in a row, and how many rows you plan to take this time? If you don't know, you can tell me how many rows you use monthly or daily. And normally if you use the stickers for the supermarket or logistic retail and the healthcare product, yes, the direct summer labels is a good choice because it can help you to save time, especially for logistic. We have the top quality summer label rolls for your options because it is waterproof, oil-proof, and scratch resistance. Another one is a scratchable label. It can use for the barcode label, price label into the supermarket. Like such as the dimension is 60 by 40, 800 labels in a row. The 58 by 39, 1000 pieces in a row. And the price label is the 50 by 25, 2000 pieces a row. The 38 by 28, 2000 pieces in a row. Yeah, actually this size for the supermarket. We also have the ready stocks in our warehouse for the first delivery, but the glassing is a yellow type. With this type, it can help the workers to recognize the label size and the backing paper size, and it is more beautiful. The logistic label roll size is 100 by 150 network. If the best thing is customer, they have their own forwarder in China. Yes, so we can do the X work term because the China forwarder will handle the shipments by the truck. Yeah, by the railway, not by sea. So because our shipping agent handles the shipment by sea mainly, so it is the best if you have the shipping agent who can handle the truck or the railway shipping way, or you could take, or the quantity you order should be full container. That will be better. Okay, and about the labor rolls, if you are a factory, we have other various material for your options, such as the synthetic paper. Here, with the sticker, as you see here, synthetic paper with the glossy film lamination on surface. This could be custom designed, and we also made this in our own factory with the digital printing machine. If you also want to make the finished products from us directly, we can make it as well. But if you are a factory, you just need the raw material and you want to make the printing as cutting and selecting and revising by your side, there is no problem. You can tell us your application about this raw material so we can introduce the correct materials for you. Because we have the many types for the paper. The synthetic paper is the most popular for daily use. And the thermal direct thermal label for supermarket and logistic. And the scratchable label for the price and barcode label in supermarket or any store. And this, the Dymo label, Dymo or the Brother label used for the zebra printing printer only. So they can So the so the printer can recognize the black sensor exactly with this. And then for the simply coat paper, here for daily use as well. This is called for printing color. And this material is laser. The laser material for making some luxury or beautiful exquisite products. And the BOPP film, actually we have the white, glossy, and the transparent. Same as the PET, it has the transparent and white as well. And as you know, some label stickers will be on the shampoo bottle, which is used the PE material. And some silver material, silver color, BOPP, used for the electricity product or the machine label. Yeah, all about these products we make, the both finished products and the demos. Hello, John. How are you? Hi. You already ordered from us, but not my customers. May I know if you have new order plans about the paper rolls and the label rolls? You can tell me in which sales you are connect, so I can ask her or ask him to follow up your orders timely. Okay, and for another price label in supermarket, it is very popular as well. This one, we have this, yeah, use this too. Could you see the price label? We have these two types. This is the classic with double red line. The dimension is 21 by 12, 1000 pieces in a row. 45 rows in a box, 6 boxes in a carton with our own brand name. And this one is red color. Actually, we can make the custom color with your patent number. It could be yellow, green, blue, white, red, and orange. The dimension is 26 by 16, 1000 pieces in a row. But this is 36 rows in a box and 6 boxes in a carton, also with our own brand box. If you want to custom your color, you need to tell us the patent number. Or you want to custom your own logo box, you need to tell us and share us the PDF design artwork so we can make the printing plate for your confirmation before the mass production. Okay. The next one is the A4 label. It's the A4 label with the Winsor, our brand name. Here, I will introduce our ready start size. Actually, we have 4. The 1, 2, 4, and 65. These 4 sizes we have already stored in our warehouse. There is no MOQ. You can just buy 1 boxes for the try order as a staff. No problem to test the quality and to test the market. But if you want to get other size, we don't have the printing plate, the cutting plate, so you need to we need to buy the cutting plate for your order. So there's the MOQ, the 500 boxes about this printing cutting plate. Okay, inside there's the 100 pieces. For the 4 size 220, 210 by 200, 210 by 296, 7. Here we made a two-way to help you to recognize the printable size and the backing size. As you see here with the logo, if you don't want our brand logo, we can make it to yours. Okay? And if you don't want this logo, just make it blank. We have the second way here with the perforation line. If you can see, there is no labels. Hello, Heber, how are you? Thank you so much. I'm glad to hear that. I'm from China. Of course, I have boyfriend. My name is Gia, and I just made the live session today. Work for our company, our factory. If you have any order plan of the thermal papers, labels, you can tell me your order plan. May I know which country you are from? Maybe we could be a friend. And to tell you, introduce some reviews or some beautiful place in our country to you. This is our A4 label product. As you see here with the printing, it's very clear and dark. Of course, for other die cuts, we have 1, 2, 4, and 65. This one is yellow. The sticker. If you also want to custom the color about A4 label, we can make it with your patent number. The same printing image quality, even though we make it full color. And finally, it is the blind box we use. Here we will paste the sticker to mention the die cut size here. If it is 2 stickers on the paper, there will be 2. If it is 4, so it will be 4. The size will change here. The size will change here accordingly. And if you have your own business and you are a large supplier in your local market, you want to make your own brand, no problem. This size we can change to yours. The medium quantity, I think it is not a problem for you as well. If the it can sell in your market very well, right? So the medium quantity, it is the 5,000 boxes. You don't need to take all at a time because you can pay 1,000 US dollars as a deposit in our account. After all 5,000 boxes take out, the 1,000 US dollars could be refundable. You don't need to worry about that we are the liar, because you can leave your contact. I will call you after live session finish and show you around our office, the factories, and show you some certifications, catalog, our websites, and our shop on Alibaba. With this, you may get some trust on us. Or even though if you want to test with us for the first order, you can just order 10 boxes or 100 boxes as a trial. There is no problem as long as that you have the forwarder in China, so we can do the shipping under export term to you. If you still have any questions about our product, you can tell me, okay? Because I have only 6 minutes, and our colleague Jana will continue to introduce about our products to you guys. Hello, Olga. How are you, Olga? Are you still there for looking our for looking through our product, right? Actually, you can send the product links to me if you are interested, so I can tell you and make the introductions about the wholesale size to you according to the country you're from, because different countries there's many size and different product we export to, so we have the rich experience. Yeah, we made this business from 2008. It's over 18 years, over 18 years. We are the biggest converter factory in south of China. So if you are planning to come to China, we are warmly welcome you to visit us if you are available, and if you are interested in this industrial, or if you are already in this industrial about the business. Hello everyone, my name is Gia from Evergreen Paper. About the free samples, and you can contact me. We are happy to send free samples to you about the products we introduced today, as long as you have the forwarder in China, and if you have the DHL or FedEx account, or we can make Alibaba. Oh, sorry, the PayPal. Maybe PayPal is better for you to account the shipping cost. The custom, we do the printing. and the custom logo and packaging we make. If you also want to design your own brand, you can tell me your idea. Our designer will make the design draft. If this live session is helpful for you, you could give me a like, okay? So I will be happy and more excited to do the future live stream. Paper rolls, label rolls and paper rolls. For these two, about the exhibition, the latest one and the nearest one is the Chicago Label Export exhibition during September 12 to 15. Our booth number is 1611. And the next after Chicago Label Export exhibition is let me think, it's the kind of fair in October in China, Guangzhou City. And after that, we will also plan to attend to the Dubai Paper World exhibition. If you also plan to attend to these exhibitions, we are very excited to meet you there and talk to you about business face to face. In this case, you may be more confident to work with us. Okay. Oh, yes, there's another carbonate paper. Carbonate paper, we have the paper rolls. One roll. The standard size is 76 by 76 and 76 by 70. The core inside is a standard plastic black core 13 by 17. The 1-ply bond paper and 2-ply, 3-ply. Hello, Chugi. How are you? You're from Germany. Yeah, if you are looking for the paper rolls, you can tell me. We also export the containers to Germany, about the 48 grammage 80 by 80 meters and 55 grammage 80 by 80. Yeah, the carbonate paper, but it is the blue. The blue printing image, same as well about this computer form. Computer form size is the 9.5 by 11 inch and 5.5 by 9.5 inch. 1 to 6 plier from the white color, pink color, yellow color, blue color. Yes, green. Hello. Yeah, from Germany we actually export the label rolls as well. We export many sizes to Germany. The smaller size for supermarket and the bigger size for logistic. The 100 by 150, 50 by 25. Yeah, 2,000 pieces in a row. The core size is actually by the 25 millimeter. Yellow Galaxy. The most popular size is the 4 by 6 inch, 100 by 150, 103, 103 by 199. These two sizes are very popular for the logistic printing address label. And the material is top proof, oil proof, and the scratch resistance. The yellow Galaxy, if you want it to be the white color, we can make as well. Hello, Tom. You're from India. Okay, I will introduce the products for India for next. Yeah, because I'm introducing the size to the Germany customer. India. If you get the A3 for the paper roll, the paper rolls are the most popular. We export to the India. 48 grammage, 80 by 80 meters. And 57 by 16, 57 by 40. You can also tell me what kind of size you buy before or you are using now, because even though we export to many countries with different requirements, but also there's some special requirement from different customers. Yeah, because they may have the special use, like the paper could be used into the lottery paper, yes, used into the restaurant, the shops, the shopping mall. And hospital, yeah, hospital about the ECG paper. It is the type as well. Supermarket, the cash receipt. You can also use the thermal paper for the lottery paper, the cinema ticket, and the bus ticket, and the ATM bank receipt. Wait, I will ask our colleague Jonah come to introduce the knives for you guys. Okay, we'll finish the live stream today. Let us see you tomorrow.